Can you believe these YouTube channels posted the exact same automation videos and each of them got millions of views? The crazy thing is that these types of videos work every single time. And if you follow this proven formula, you can do it too. We call it the infinite content loop. And every automation channel is hiding this secret method from you. But I am here to expose it once and for all. But why should you trust me or this method? Well, I have built a company that runs over 300 channels, and my team and I have earned over 5 billion views using this exact formula every single day. The simple fact is that the YouTube algorithm is easy to manipulate once you know how to. Let's have a look at these videos and see what topic they share. Each one of these videos is about Vin Diesel's Fast and Furious drama. This is where the infinite content loop comes into play. The reason all these videos have been successful is that Vin Diesel is constantly in and out of the news throughout the year. Vin Diesel is the key word, and every time he starts a fight, stars in a movie, or causes drama, people start searching. These channels all have several videos about Vin Diesel, so every time he's in the spotlight, they get a wave of views across those videos. Once the viewer watches 1 or 2 videos about Vin Diesel drama, the algorithm will send them into a click hole. Want to know what a click hole is and how to use it to win at the YouTube game? Drop a follow so you don't miss part 2.